Welcome to Dorset Tech. We're not your average website and app development agency. Based in the heart of England, we bring a fresh, superhero twist to the tech world. Imagine a world where you can only pay for the minutes you use, no monthly fees and no hidden costs. At Dorset Tech, that's our reality. We're here to make market-leading websites accessible to everyone, especially small businesses. Apply for our discounted rate and save up to 70%. With a team of 19 full-time superheroes, each boasting an impressive average of 13 years of experience, we're ready to tackle any challenge you throw our way. What truly sets us apart is our unique blend of fun, strong ethos and professionalism. We believe in delivering high-quality web and app solutions that don't cost the earth. Our superhero theme isn't just for show. It represents our dedication to saving the day for our clients, big or small. We're proud to be carbon negative too, actively making the world a greener place, one project at a time. Put your trust in Dorset Tech, your web superheroes. The best rated agency where fun meets functionality, great design, great ethos, and great savings to be had. Ready to save the day with Dorset Tech? Let's go!